So the flavor bursts come from herbs, and we're going to start with a little bit of mint, a little bit of cilantro, and a little bit of parsley, and a little bit of lemongrass. You can get this at any Asian market. A lot of supermarkets carry it. Start by just grabbing them all together in your hand, kind of making a nice little pile. This is a really easy way to do it. These are just going to be part of our maceration, so it doesn't matter that you're chopped perfectly. We just want to get a nice chop on these herbs. Oh, it smells so good. If you could smell this. The mint and the cilantro coming up are just dancing. Okay, and I'm going to take and put these into this big bowl over here. And quickly, I want to chop my lemongrass. And this end is very tuberous, and the upper part is tuberous. So we really just want this little bit of white right here.
Can you show me that again?
So we really just want this little bit of white, which is right here.
Hold up. Okay.
We really just want this little bit of white. This is the tender part. So we're going to chop this off. Just slice it down the center. And the reason I'm doing that is you always like to have a nice flat surface so it doesn't roll around. We don't want any fingers cut off here. And then the claw. This is something nobody ever tells you, and I'm going to tell you it's your best friend. You make a claw with your hand, and that becomes your chopping guide. So as these are pressed flat, the fingers are carved in, and your knuckle then becomes a guide, and it never gets cut. Just slowly chopping these. Again, the knuckle, my thumb is behind the knuckle, it's slightly pushing forward. And then we're just going to give these a little rough chop, just so we can expel as much flavor as possible. That's it. And those are going to go into our bowl. And we've done the herb preparation. We're going to move on to the garlic and the shallots.